Returned to the barbel spot that I pre-baited about an hour ago. It's about 8:30 now. The sun's just going down. Mosquitoes everywhere. Ow. Just quickly, before I cast out, I thought I'd show you the rig. All I've got is a tiny little swim feeder, about a 2-foot hook length, just to a bait banded single 6mm pellet on a size 14. I've just got a bit of a ground bait mix in there. Got some sensors, crushed halibut and hemp, and I've put quite a few pellets in there. That's as simple as it gets. The water is crystal clear, so finesse is needed. 8-pound main line. I've got my 1.5 pounder barbel rod, Shimano 5010, loaded up with 8-pound line, Guru drag line. So let's make my first cast, and then fingers crossed we can get the first barbel of the year. I'll see you in a bit.
Evening.
Fishing rod.
Right.
Best not take that one.
I don't believe that, guys. Had me swim, rested it for an hour, come to fish it, and we've casting out, what, not even a minute. A canoeist has just gone straight up downstream, probably disturbed the swim. I mean, I can't blame him. The river's for everyone to enjoy, so you just got to take it on the chin, haven't you? I'm going to give it half an hour just to see case the fish return. If they don't, then I'm going to move to another swim, I think, for the last hour of daylight. So fingers crossed the fish aren't gone too far. Just catch me again. Well, not the barbel I was after, but nice chub. So now 2.5 pounder, beautiful bronze colour on him, double dendrobina, doing the business again. There's still barbel in the swim, so you never know, hopefully I can get one, but can't grumble with 2 nice chub tonight, and that little perch as well. It's been proving pretty good. Mosquitoes are doing my head in, but lovely chub. Let's get him back in, eh? Well, I'm in again. Action is hotting up. Can't believe it. I just cast out a worm after that chub. Straight away it went. Had a perch on, about a pound. Slipped the hook as I was about to land him. Another chuck out. Another perch about the same size. Must be a group of them down there. Oh, he's right tangled me up. What's happened here? Never discovered a job. Start striking me with all these things. Nice job again, got it out. Oh, that's 2 nice perch I've had now tonight, and lost 2 as well. Perch are on fire. Beautiful fish though. It's proper dusk now, so I'm hoping that them barbel's still in the swim, but probably a bit of disturbance now with these 2 perch messing around. What a fish though. Real fat one, that one. Got to be a pound, hasn't he? Really happy with that. Oh, God, he is a fat one. Colours on them are amazing. What a fish. Let's get him back in. I'm enjoying tonight. If I can get that barbel just to top it off, let's get him back in. Oh, hi guys. It's worth staying until after dark. So I've just landed this absolute magnificent barbel. Single pellet, bait banded on size 14. Look at that fish, what a beauty. Absolutely stunning. Oh, it took me a while to get my first barbel this season, but that is a beauty. I haven't weighed him yet. Could be close to double figures. That is a cracker. Probably, that's definitely the biggest barbel I've had out of this river. What a fish. What a fight as well. Just tore off. Brilliant. I'm over the moon with that. Beautiful condition fish. Let's get him back in, get him well rested. I'll let you know the weight, guys. That's what we come fishing for, innit? 11 o'clock at night. Beasts like that. Let's get him back in. Beautiful barbel. I'm over the moon. Oh, what a fish.